Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 12th of June 2015. So after a strong update during Wednesday's trading session, we had the complete opposite for Thursday. The market starting to move higher initially, trading up to the 18,100, and then it was straight back to where it started from, and then remained in a sideways range until the latter part of the session, where we saw prices then move down. So starting over on the left hand side, you've got a PTI and a PTP that appears on the chart initially. Of course, this is at 2:30, so I generally ignore this, and I received an email yesterday asking why, and the reason is because of the volatility which you see in the bar that follows. The market can take any direction. It can either go up or go down. So just the fact that you've got this buy signal here doesn't mean to say the market's going to continue higher. Of course it did on this occasion, but if you look at the PTP, you'll also see that the stop was hit as well because of the increased volatility when the main players come to the market at 2:30. So we see the market stopping at the 18,100, reversing, coming back down, and then we see the buying coming into the market. You can see this massive increase in volume here. We also had the release of the business inventories. That was better than forecast, but that didn't do anything for the market either. So you see the market being supported here by the test, and this is at where the market was, straight back to where it was in the pre-market session. We have a PTI sell here with a 36-point loss as the market then reversed and came back, and that's because of the support that we see here. And then it got into a trend channel of 40 points and eventually working its way down to 20-point range, which is neither use nor ornament when we're trading with the momentum in the market. So we see a triple X here, the market filling this, and eventually the market moving up, but not enough to actually hit the scalp. You can see the resistance to the left as the market then went sideways again. There's absolutely no volume whatsoever, no direction either. The market stuck in a sideways range, but then we get a triple X late on in the session. We see the market reverse, which cancels the buy signal we had here, just taking the small loss, and then 20 points on this trade to mitigate some of the loss on the previous two signals for the day. So overall a losing day had you traded all of the signals that were on the chart. But there was a bit of a clue here that the market was going to be fairly quiet, which it turned out to be for the remainder of the day, but we don't know that at the time. So a boring day. Let's hope today cheers up a bit. If we have a look at the daily chart, you can see the market just coming off the highs yesterday. That's all it was. There's a bit of weakness around this morning as well. And the news today is that the prelim UOM consumer sentiment, this is out at 3 p.m. It's forecast at 91.3, the previous 88.6. So let's see if that actually comes to fruition. If it does, it will send the market back to the upside. If these figures are anywhere near close, the market's looking for positive news to keep this market in the highs at the moment. And finally, on the implied volatility, 1235 for Wednesday. Thursday's session was fairly quiet sideways, so 1161 see a drop off in the implied volatility once again, which is quite a significant drop off. So an interesting picture developing here. So whether the market's already got wind that the prelim figures are going to actually be better than forecast, because that's quite a drop over the last few days on the implied volatility. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition, well, Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good weekend, and as ever, thank you for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.